guys, today I'm doing a review of this Cheerios Veggie blends. This is their apple strawberry flavored. This was on sale, made with real fruit. So here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And here are the ingredients. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, there we go. It does have a nice fruity smell to it. Whoa. So I've tried a couple of these already. It has a nice fruit taste to it. Really surprising. Alright, so let's do a quick taste test right now. It's quite good. It's a little on the sweet side, but it's pretty good. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos and rest subscribe to the channel.